So hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you a quick 2-minute video on how to insert your company's information. So how you would do that is first let me just get back to my homepage. And you'll see on top of right here it says ACE Computer Corporation, and beside you will want to add in your own name or your name of your company. So how you would do that is on the ribbon right up here, you go to company, and then you'll go to company information. From here, that's where you can add your own name. You can add the address of where the company is. And you can also, on the bottom right here, the legal information. Same thing, you can add where your company is located. And on the bottom right here, on the third line, that's where you will add your suite. So on here, I've added suite 13. That's what your assignment says. And then later on, when you know that you have done it correctly, is when on top of your bar right here, it will change to your name. So that's how you add your company information. Hope this video helps, and if it does, drop a like or recommend it to your friends. Bye for now.